How many of you like to fail? You may think, what an absurd question. Who would like to fail? Okay. How many of you are scared of failure? You've experienced the fear of failure. Yeah, a lot of us, right? And it is so massive because so much of effort has gone into it. बहुत सारा आपने effort डाला, बहुत सारा काम किया, and then desired results नहीं मिले. And then it takes a lot to bounce back, right? Now, how about we change the perspective towards failure, एक नए तरीके से उसको देखें, so that failure becomes a part of success and not the opposite of success. Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, daughter of two rock-solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of Ifyuma King, an engineer, MBA, corporate executive turned anchor person, now a happiness coach, helping leaders become the most sought-after leaders by having deep connects and meaningful relationships in their organizations. Do hit the like button if you find this video meaningful. Also subscribe to the YouTube channel. You don't want to miss out on 2 new videos that I publish here every day. दो लोगों की बात करना चाहती हूँ यहाँ पर मैं, and we all know these two people. The first one is Abraham Lincoln. हम सब इन्हें US president के तौर पर जानते हैं. But if you get into his life journey, he failed in his business twice. 2 new businesses failed. He was defeated in legislative race. He lost his sweetheart, okay, and he had a nervous breakdown. Okay, he lost congressional race twice. He lost senatorial race twice. He, lost, the vice president, becoming the vice president. And it was only at the age of 52 that he was finally elected as the president of the United States. The second person that I want to talk about is Thomas Edison. Yeah. He had 9,999 attempts of making the electric bulb, which did not give him the desired result. Okay, the invention didn't happen. And then somebody asked him that now you're going on to the next one, so you'll have 10,000 failures. He said, no, it's actually 9,999 or 10,000 different ways to, produce certain action. So he just said, or his perspective was that every set of action is giving me a different result. So I have just figured out that these 9,999 actions will not give me the result that I'm looking for. So I've just figured out ways that are not working. Now, why did I share these 2 stories? अगर अब्राहम लिंकन ने उन सब इवेंट्स को जो 21 साल की उम्र में पहले बिजनेस के फेलियर से शुरू हुआ और 52 years of age पे when he was elected as the the president of the United States, उस दौरान वो जिस सब से गुजरे उन सब को उन्होंने अगर फेलियर लिया होता और आगे नहीं बढ़ते, रुक जाते, तो क्या वो कर पाते जो उन्होंने किया? All that we know him for, would he have really created all that he did? Would he have become the president? Would he have been elected as the president of the United States? Same way, अगर हम थॉमस एडिसन की बात करें, अगर उनका पर्सपेक्टिव ये होता कि इतनी बार कर लिया, नहीं हो रहा है, छोड़ दो, तो क्या आज हम इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब के मजे ले रहे होते? So all I want to point out here is that the fear of failure, which is so huge, और जिस failure से हम भागते हैं कि नहीं fail ना हो जाऊं, और उस चक्कर में हम attempt ही नहीं करते चीजों को, हम सोचते हैं क्यों risk लेना, नहीं हुआ तो the whole big deal why we are stuck where we are and we are not moving ahead. अगर आप भी अपनी life में देख रहे हो, आगे ही नहीं बढ़ते हो, actions ही नहीं लेते हो, because the fear of failure is so huge, then I just want you to think about these men, and there are n number of such cases. आप उठाकर देखिए, आप अपने इर्द गिर्द देखिए, आपको इनफ एग्जाम्पल्स मिलेंगे जो आपको इंस्पायर करेंगे, और उन सब एग्जाम्पल्स में you will get a different shade, different failure of how they viewed failure in a different way. Right? It's just another way which didn't work. Now imagine how beautiful. एक और तरीका जिससे मुझे पता है कि इससे इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब नहीं बनेगा, तो ये सेट ऑफ एक्शन ने मुझे ये रिजल्ट दिया, नॉट द रिजल्ट दैट आई वांटेड. Do you think, I would say invariably, all the successes, all the success stories will have the so-called failures. जिन फेलियर्स को हम टैबू मानते हैं, जिन फेलियर्स से हम दूर भागते हैं, जिन फेलियर्स को हम यूज कर लेते हैं लेबल के तौर पे, रुक जाते हैं, एक्शन लेना बंद कर देते हैं, आगे नहीं बढ़ते हैं, और वो लेबल भी लगा लेते हैं अपने ऊपर, आई एम अ फेलियर, और फिर विक्टिम भी बन जाते हैं. नहीं, मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ है, आपको पता है क्या, मेरे पास रिसोर्सेज नहीं है इसलिए मैं नहीं कर पाया. तो अपने रीजंस भी ढूंढ लेते हैं उसको जस्टिफाई करने के या एक्शन न लेने के. राइट? So I'm leaving you with a choice there, you know, it's a choice that you have to make. Because this is clear that as much as we don't like failure, I know the way our brains are, it just pulls us down, all of that. But that choice lies with us, right? Whether we want to be pulled down, disempowered and quit, or we take it as a stepping stone and we move forward. Right? अगर ये हो गया तो ये मुझे क्या सिखा रहा है? Right? In my relationships, if there is something that happened and I'm not confronting it, because अगर मैंने ये किया तो पता नहीं मेरा रिलेशन खत्म हो जाएगा. या वर्क प्लेस पे, if there's something I've not been able to do, or if there is an opportunity that has come in and I'm not taking it because अगर मैं नहीं कर पाया तो क्या होगा? What if I'm not able to deliver? और उस चक्कर में आप उस अपॉर्चुनिटी को जाने देते हो. Let me tell you, opportunity will not strike again and again. Whenever they come, we must grab them. But हम उनको grab तब करेंगे जब हम ready हैं. We are not obsessed with that outcome कि failure होगा, success होगा. I mean, yes, we all want it to be a success, but if there is, you know, the result is not what we desired it to be, then can we take it as a stepping stone? Can we take it as, okay, this is what I have learned from this, and now this will help me progress or move forward in my journey to what I want. अगर मैं ये कर सकती हूँ, यहाँ से देख सकती हूँ, I promise you, it will turn around. You will not take it, you'll not be scared of it anymore. And I'm telling you this out of my experience. You know, I have been super scared of doing things. Just because, what if I fail? What if I'm not able to live up to the image? What image? जो मैंने अपने अंदर बना रखी है, जो मेरे हिसाब से मैं सब लोगों के लिए अपनी ये इमेज दिखा रही हूँ. That's what people think of me. I'm assuming that. And I don't want to risk it. I'm not even taking actions. Because I'm comfortable. Let me be in my comfort zone. At least जो हूँ ना, people think in a certain manner about me, and I'm bluffing myself. So go ahead, take the risk that you have to take. Of course, calculated risks, but you must take the risk and just put in all your effort. Back it up by 100%, more than 100%, 120% effort, whatever best you can do. And then the outcome, whatever it is, it's only going to be a stepping stone to the next level. Yeah. Hope you were able to relate with this, and I really hope you will really come out of that fear. You will take your next step towards changing your perspective towards the fear of failure, viewing failure as just a way to reach your success rather than opposite of success, failure or success. No, that's not what it is. Do hit the like button if you found this purposeful, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.